Hello, my name is Adelie, and I work for Aduro as an on-site coach and program concierge at EMC Insurance. Today, I want to talk to you about a few key things that make our WellMetrics program unlike any other biometric screening program, and how to get the most out of your biometric results. First, WellMetrics provides the benefit of delivering participants their result data within a half hour of their test. How cool is that? After a participant receives their results, they have the option to meet with a program concierge to review what their health numbers mean and what some possible next steps are. This is where I come in. This is an exciting opportunity to speak with people face-to-face on an individual level to address their unique health and well-being concerns. Once we get to know the participant's unique situation, the program concierge might recommend some webinars or programs to help improve their health numbers, and we can even help register participants for these programs. Based on their individual needs, the program concierge may also connect them with an on-site coach if there is one available at your company, or connect you with a telephonic coach. With coaching, participants can dive deeper into their biometric results and create some goals around ways to improve their numbers. For example, if someone is concerned that their LDL cholesterol number is too high, creating a nutrition goal could be helpful. Coaching is a great next step that can help participants dive deeper into their goals, including why they are important, how they might add value to their life, and possible barriers and obstacles that may stand in their way. Think of WellMetrics events as hidden gems designed to connect each individual of your population with the health data and resources they need to have a transformative impact on their total well-being.